Today, we've cut through the noise to find the 30 tools that actually solve problems. We're covering everything from high-tech sensors to $10 silicone hacks that change the way you cook. No filler, just the heavy hitters. The links are in the description below. 1. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. If you find yourself dreading meal prep because of the endless dicing, this is the solution. The Fullstar isn't just a container, it's a high-velocity dicing machine. We're demonstrating the 4 interchangeable stainless steel blades that handle everything from onions to potatoes in a single downward motion. It ensures perfectly uniform cubes, which means your vegetables cook at the exact same rate. No more half-raw, half-burnt stir-fries. Plus, the built-in tray catches everything, so your cutting board stays clean. It's a massive time saver for anyone cooking in bulk. 2. Meter plus Thermometer. This is the gold standard for wireless meat probes. Traditional thermometers require you to stand over the stove or leave the oven door cracked for a wire. The Meter Plus is completely internal and syncs via Bluetooth to your smartphone. The app is the real hero here. It estimates how much time is left in the cook based on ambient and internal temperatures. It even accounts for carryover cooking once you pull the meat off the heat. It's the easiest way to guarantee a perfect medium rare steak every single time without the stress. 3. Electric Spice Grinders. Manual grinding is a workout you don't need when you're mid-recipe. These gravity-activated grinders are a game-changer for multitasking. You don't even have to press a button, just flip the unit over, and the high-torque ceramic motor starts grinding immediately. They feature an integrated LED light so you can actually see how much seasoning is landing on your food in a dim kitchen. They are rechargeable via USB-C, meaning no more fumbling with AA batteries. It's pure convenience for seasoned home cooks who value a one-handed workflow. 4. Avocado 3-in-1 Slicer. Avocado hand is one of the most common kitchen injuries, but this tool makes it a thing of the past. This clever 3-in-1 design handles the entire process safely. The plastic blade splits the skin. The stainless steel pitter removes the seed with a simple twist, no dangerous knife hacking required, and the fan blade scoops out perfect, uniform slices in one go. It's incredibly satisfying to use and significantly faster than using a traditional knife and spoon. If you're a fan of avocado toast or homemade guacamole, this belongs in your drawer. 5. Magnetic Measuring Spoons. Measuring spoons are usually the most disorganized part of a kitchen drawer, but these snap together using powerful center magnets. This keeps them nested and tidy so you aren't digging through a pile of loose plastic. They feature a dual-sided design. The rounded end is for liquids, while the narrow, elongated end is specifically designed to fit into skinny spice jars that standard spoons can't reach. The markings are large and engraved, so they won't fade in the dishwasher. It's a simple, mechanical upgrade to a tool you use every single day. 6. Zyliss Garlic Press. This is widely considered the best garlic press on the market for one reason: you don't even have to peel the garlic. You just drop the whole clove in, skin and all, and the high-leverage plunger strips the skin while pressing the pulp through the grid. It's built from heavy-duty aluminum and feels incredibly sturdy in the hand. It also comes with a built-in cleaning tool that pops out the leftover skins instantly. It's the fastest, cleanest way to get fresh garlic flavor into your meals without the sticky hands or smelly fingers. 7. Rotary Cheese Grater. If you've ever lost a knuckle to a box grater, you need to switch to a rotary model. This suction-based grater locks onto your countertop and uses a hand crank to spin stainless steel drums. It's roughly 10 times faster than manual grating and keeps your fingers completely clear of the blades. It comes with 3 interchangeable drums for slicing, fine grating, and coarse grating. Whether you're prepping a mountain of Parmesan for pasta or shredding potatoes for hash browns, this makes the job effortless and much safer for kids to help with. 8. OXO Salad Spinner. Soggy lettuce is the enemy of a good salad because dressing can't stick to wet leaves. The OXO Salad Spinner uses a patented one-handed pump mechanism that gets the basket spinning at high speeds with very little effort. It features a built-in brake to stop the spinning instantly and a non-slip base to keep it steady on your counter. The clear outer bowl is elegant enough to serve from, and the internal basket doubles as a colander for rinsing your greens. It's a classic piece of kitchen engineering that hasn't been beaten yet. 9. Electric Rotato Peeler. For anyone who finds peeling potatoes or apples tedious, this is the ultimate lazy win. You just secure your fruit or vegetable on the spikes and hit the button. The robotic arm adjusts to the thickness and shape of the produce, spiraling the peel off in one long, continuous strip in under 10 seconds. It stops automatically when it reaches the bottom. It's powered by an adapter or batteries, making it portable. It's especially helpful for people with arthritis or anyone prepping large family meals where manual peeling would take far too long. 10. Safe Slice Mandoline. Traditional mandolins are notoriously dangerous, but the Safe Slice model changes the geometry entirely. It features an upright design where your hands are nowhere near the hidden blades. You simply push a spring-loaded plunger down to move the food through the cutters. With over 30 different slicing and julienne settings adjusted by a dial on the back, you can create anything from paper-thin potato chips to thick-cut fries. It folds completely flat for easy storage and is dishwasher safe. It's the only Mandoline I feel comfortable recommending for a busy household. 11. ThermoPro Digital Thermometer. In a fast-moving kitchen, you need an instant read thermometer you can trust. The ThermoPro TP19H provides accurate readings in just 2 seconds. It's fully waterproof, which makes it easy to wash under the tap, and features a 180-degree rotating probe for left-handed or right-handed use. My favorite feature is the motion-sensing sleep mode. The thermometer turns off when you put it down to save battery and wakes up the moment you pick it back up. It's a rugged, professional-grade tool that ensures your chicken is safe and your steak is juicy. 12. Glass Sink Rinser. This is the kind of upgrade that makes your kitchen feel like a professional bar. It installs easily into a standard sink hole and connects to your water line. When you press a glass or bottle upside down onto the actuator, high-pressure jets of water blast the interior, reaching spots a sponge never could. It's perfect for protein shakers, wine glasses, or baby bottles that have dried-on residue. It saves water by focusing the pressure exactly where it's needed and makes cleaning narrow-neck containers incredibly fast and actually kind of fun. 13. Clip-on Pot Strainer. Standard colanders are bulky and take up an entire shelf in your cabinet. This silicone clip-on strainer is a fraction of the size and fits onto almost any round pot, pan, or bowl. It uses 2 heavy-duty clips to stay secure while you tilt the pot to drain boiling water. This keeps the food safely inside the hot vessel, which is much easier than trying to aim a heavy pot of pasta into a stationary colander in the sink. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher safe, and a total must-have for people living in apartments with limited storage. 14. Electric Bag Sealer. Chip clips are notoriously bad at keeping air out, leading to stale snacks. This handheld electric sealer uses microheat technology to weld plastic bags shut, creating an airtight, factory-grade seal in seconds. It's rechargeable via USB and features a built-in cutter to open bags later. Because it has a magnetic base, you can keep it right on the front of your refrigerator so it's always within reach. It's a tiny investment that pays for itself by preventing food waste and keeping everything from cereal to frozen veggies perfectly fresh for much longer. 15. Sink Cutting Board. If you're working in a kitchen with limited counter space, this acacia wood cutting board is a massive upgrade. It's designed with integrated grooves to sit securely over your sink basin, effectively turning that dead space into a functional prep station. This allows you to chop vegetables and sweep the scraps directly into the disposal or a bowl sitting in the sink below. Acacia is naturally water-resistant and durable, so it won't warp over time. It's a stylish and practical way to expand your workspace without a full kitchen remodel. 16. Reusable Toaster Bags. These bags allow you to cook things in your toaster that you never thought possible. You can make a full grilled cheese sandwich or reheat a slice of pizza directly in the toaster slot without getting a single crumb or drop of melted cheese inside the machine. They are made from high-quality Teflon-coated fiberglass, making them non-stick and heat-resistant. You can wash them and reuse them up to 50 times. They are perfect for a quick office lunch or a late-night snack when you don't want to wash a greasy frying pan. 17. Oil Sprayer Mister. Store-bought cooking sprays often contain chemicals and propellants that can damage the non-stick coating on your pans. This refillable mister allows you to use your favorite high-quality olive or avocado oil instead. You just pump the cap to build up pressure and then spray a fine, even mist. It's essential for air frying, where you want a light coating of oil for crispiness without drenching the food. It's more economical, better for your health, and much better for the environment than traditional aerosol cans. 18. Silicone Baggy Opener. Pouring leftovers or marinated meat into a Ziploc bag is usually a 2-person job if you want to avoid a mess. These adjustable arms act as a third hand, clipping onto the bag and holding it wide open and upright on your counter. This prevents the bag from collapsing and ensures the zipper track stays clean so you can get a perfect seal. They are also great for drying out washed bags if you like to reuse them. It's a simple silicone tool that eliminates one of the most annoying kitchen spills. 19. Grip Flip Tongs. Standard spatulas are great for lifting, but they don't give you much control when flipping delicate foods. These hybrid tongs feature a wide silicone spatula base with a tension arm that allows you to clamp the food securely. This is a lifesaver for flipping over easy eggs, delicate fish fillets, or stuffed pancakes that would normally fall apart. The silicone is heat-resistant and won't scratch your expensive non-stick pans. It gives you the precision of tongs with the full support of a spatula, making you much more confident at the stove. 20. Anova Nano Sous Vide. Sous vide used to be a secret of professional chefs, but the Anova Nano makes it accessible to everyone. This immersion circulator clips onto any pot and heats the water to an exact temperature, held within a fraction of a degree. You seal your food in a bag, drop it in, and walk away. Because the food never gets hotter than the water, it is physically impossible to overcook a steak or dry out a chicken breast. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool for restaurant-quality results at home. 21. Pancake Art Printer. This gadget turns breakfast into a creative experience. It's a precision nozzle dispenser that allows you to draw intricate designs directly onto a hot griddle. Because you control the flow, you can layer your batter to create different shades of browning, resulting in detailed pancake art. It's the ultimate tool for parents who want to surprise their kids on Saturday mornings or anyone who wants to level up their brunch game. It's surprisingly easy to master and much cleaner than using a standard spoon or a messy measuring cup. 22. Magnetic Towel Holder. Countertop paper towel holders are always in the way and often tip over when you try to tear a sheet. This heavy-duty magnetic holder snaps onto the side of your refrigerator or any metal surface, clearing up valuable counter space. The magnets are incredibly strong, providing enough resistance that you can easily tear off a single sheet with one hand. It's a simple organizational fix that keeps your paper towels at eye level and within easy reach of the sink or stove without adding more clutter to your workspace. 23. Electric Nano-Mixer. Don't let the small size fool you. This high-torque whisk is a powerhouse. While most people use it for frothing milk for lattes, it's actually the best tool for micro-mixing. It emulsifies small batches of salad dressing, mixes stubborn matcha or collagen powders into water, and beats a single egg for an omelet in seconds. It's significantly easier to clean than a full-sized blender or a manual whisk. Just run the head under warm water for 2 seconds and you're done. It's a battery-operated essential for any modern kitchen. 24. Garlic Peeler Tube. Peeling garlic is one of those tasks that everyone hates because of the sticky, smelly residue left on your fingers. This simple silicone tube solves it using pure physics. You just place a few unpeeled cloves inside, press down with your palm, and roll it back and forth on the counter. The internal ridges grip the papery skin and pop the garlic out completely clean. It's faster than using a knife and keeps your hand smelling fresh. It's one of the cheapest gadgets on this list, but you'll use it every time you cook. 25. Adjustable Rolling Pin. The secret to professional baking is consistency, and this rolling pin guarantees it. It comes with 4 sets of removable rings that raise the rolling surface to a specific height, 2 mm, 4 mm, 6 mm, or 10 mm. This ensures that your dough is the exact same thickness from the center to the edges, leading to perfectly even browning and texture. Whether you're making pizza crust, pie dough, or sugar cookies, you'll never have to guess again. The pin itself is made of high-quality stainless steel, which can be chilled to keep dough from sticking. 26. Auto-Stirring Robot. This is a true extra hand in the kitchen. If you're making a recipe that requires constant stirring, like risotto, gravy, or a delicate custard, you know how exhausting it is to stand at the stove. This battery-operated robot sits in your pot and uses a unique vibrating motion to rotate across the bottom of the pan. It has 3 different speeds and is heat-resistant up to 572 degrees. It prevents scorching and sticking, allowing you to focus on chopping other ingredients while the robot handles the stirring duties for you. 27. Silicone Popcorn Popper. Microwave popcorn bags are often filled with artificial flavorings and unhealthy oils. This collapsible silicone bowl allows you to make healthy, air-popped popcorn using just plain kernels. You can add a little butter or seasoning if you want, but it's not required. It pops a full batch in under 3 minutes, and because it's silicone, the bowl stays cool enough to handle. Best of all, it collapses down to about 2 inches thick, so it won't take up much room in your snack cabinet. It's better for your health and the environment. 28. Smart Food Scale. For serious bakers or anyone tracking their nutrition, a smart scale is a must. This one syncs via Bluetooth to an app on your phone, providing a massive database of nutritional information. You can weigh your ingredients in grams, ounces, or milliliters for ultra-precise baking results, essential for things like sourdough or macarons. The sleek, tempered glass surface is easy to wipe clean, and the tear function allows you to subtract the weight of your bowl instantly. It's a high-tech way to take the guesswork out of your portion sizes and recipes. 29. Self-Stirring Mug. This is the ultimate convenience for coffee and tea drinkers. At the bottom of the mug is a small magnetic pill that spins at high speeds when you press the button on the handle. It creates a silent vortex that perfectly mixes your sugar, cream, or hot chocolate powder. No more searching for a spoon or dealing with that undissolved sludge at the bottom of your cup. The mug is insulated to keep your drink hot and comes with a travel lid. It's a fun, surprisingly useful gadget that makes your morning routine just a little bit easier. 30. One-Touch Jar Opener. Stubborn vacuum-sealed lids can be a nightmare to open, but this robotic tool does all the work for you. You just set it on top of the jar and press the button. The arms automatically adjust to the size of the jar and the lid, exerting massive torque to twist it open. It works on everything from small soda bottles to wide pickle jars. It's an essential accessibility tool for anyone with arthritis or hand fatigue, but it's also just a great time saver for anyone who's tired of struggling with a stuck lid. That's our 30. All the links are in the description below. If you found a gadget that's going to save your sanity in the kitchen, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments, which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.